Reflect triangle ABC in the y-axis. Okay, so for this particular shape, we have to locate the axis that's going to become our line of reflection, which in this case is the y-axis. So it's this vertical line here, not very good indication by me, but it's the vertical line right here. Okay, so that's going to be our line of reflection, the y-axis. Again, whether you're using the y-axis or the x-axis, when we calculate the distance from each point to the mirror line, in this case, remember, it's the y-axis, you need to make sure that you intersect in your movement of where you're calculating as you go towards that line of reflection. It has to intersect the line of reflection at 90 degrees. So, for example, if I had a point here and I was going to reflect in the y-axis, I'm going to move towards the y-axis the shortest route possible, which is a straight line. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then I continue to the other side, 1, 2, 3. Now you'll notice that I intersect with the y-axis at 90 degrees, and that's what you have to do. So if it was here, again, I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I meet it at 90 degrees, and then I continue going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would be the new location. So that's how you do it in general. Let's have a go at triangle ABC. So we'll deal with point A first, and we'll do our counting. So from A to the mirror line, it's how many steps? 1, 2. So I repeat that on the other side of the mirror line, 1, 2, and I now know that A dash, remember that's the image of A, is right there. So let's try another shape, another point, sorry, and I'm going to deal with point B. So B's here, and I just need to do a count to the y-axis, so it's 1, 2. Doesn't matter that it's on this side, on the other side to where A was, we just reflect back over the mirror line. So it's 1, 2, and then I repeat 1, 2, and so now I know that B dash has to be located there. That's the image of B. And the final one, of course, is C, which is over here. I just count how many steps it takes to get to the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat it on the other side of the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so now I know that C dash has to be here. I should always end by drawing the shape that I started with, the image of the shape, I should say. So that goes from there to there, and then from there to there, and then from there to there, and I now have the triangle, the image of the triangle ABC, and I've labeled it A dash, B dash, C dash, and that's it.